Small language models, SLMs, are AI models designed for natural language processing tasks with fewer computational resources. They are efficient, cost-effective, and suitable for specific applications. SLMs are compact, ranging from a few million to a few 100 million parameters. They offer reduced computational and memory requirements, making them efficient and cost-effective. SLMs use architectures like transformers, but with fewer layers and parameters. They are often pre-trained or fine-tuned for specific tasks, optimizing performance. SLMs are easier to deploy and suitable for edge computing. However, they may struggle with tasks requiring extensive world knowledge or complex NLP tasks. Future prospects for SLMs include enhanced capabilities through techniques like knowledge distillation and pruning, ensuring they remain viable alongside larger models.